tell you by some examples. The first thing is this, that we have collecting the information on the timely basis. How we know that thing is changed? If someone is not in touch with you for last 2 years, can he or she can say that I know about the change in your life? No. If your friend whom you are calling on daily basis, you find out that some casualties happen in his or her home, but sometimes you find out that your old friend say that unfortunately my grandfather is not alive, because you were not touch with that person from last 4 to 5 months. You say, I am sorry, I was not aware. Is it clear or not? So for making a system adaptive, you should collect the information on the regular intervals. Now you are clear about DBR, distance vector routing. The update is sent after every 30 seconds, very good. So information collection is a major thing. And you should understand one thing, that what is the reason. This is the updates which I am telling you. So updates are sending after regular interval. One major thing which should be clear in your mind, when you are discussing about a topology here on blackboard, or you are discussing a topology on some white paper or in some book, you are perceiving like a human. Human have a advantage that human can visualize the things. Now, an example which I have given, that a student came in the class. When a student came in the class, we all saw him, that he came in the class. But in the case of router have a major problem. Router is like a blind person. Router do not see. If a new router is entered here, R4 is entered here in this case, so is R1, R2, R3 know that R4 entered? Say yes or no? No, because R2 do not know about the presence of R4. But if I plot another router R4, what will happen? You can see it, you can say now topology is changed. But how R1, R2 and R3 know about the presence of R4? By exchanging the regular updates. I can make it more clear by example. If you are sitting in some center seat, a person is came to your left hand side and to your right hand side. If don't mind it, you are not able to see what will happen. You cannot find that someone is came to right hand side of mine and left hand side of mine. Then how you know that someone is came to your right hand side and left hand side, or we guess the right word is neighbor? How you know about the presence of your neighbor? The presence of your neighbor is just known by the exchange of updates. Till when you are not sending a hello message and he is not replying that hello message, you cannot say that I am not aware about the topology. So topology is always be known or always be coming as a center of the routing by just sending some hello mechanism. And hello mechanism is of two types. This is very interesting. You just perceive the hello of one type. Hello can be a request and hello can be a reply. When a person say you hello first time, that hello is a request. Word is hello. But inside that hello, what is in depth of that hello? That hello is a request that you are able to talk me, you are willing to talk me, or you are making a topology with me, then you say hello. Then that router will say what? Hello as a reply. So hello is as a request, hello is as a reply. So when a router is boot, what a router will do first time? It sends a hello to its neighbors. The same thing as some child is bored. What happened? He cried. So the cry is like a hello. Everyone know about his presence. And what will happen? You know about that after some time there is a name is given to every individual. What is the reason? And when that name is given to every individual, there is a large gathering or there is a some get together type of function is happen in your home. The reason is this, that other relatives know about the presence of that newborn child, that a boy or girl is born and his or her name is some Ramesh or some Geeta. So this is the same way by which the router is governed in a network. So this is the way by which the dynamic topologies take. So in case of dynamic topology, one criteria is that the information exchange should be based on some certain time, or DBR based dynamic routing protocol have exchanged their information after the interval of every 30 seconds.